everybody, welcome back to Nerf Squad. As usual, I hope you're having a great day. I'm Noah. You're probably wondering why I'm in a car right now. I'm actually headed home from a weekend backpacking trip that me and my family did. But my brother and I managed to film a Nerf war, and so I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Where is it? Where is it? This week, I win. Wake up! Nerf war time. No, this time's different. Wake up! Nerf war! Look at me. I'm gonna win this time. Nerf war. Oh, Nerf war.
Fine. If you want a Nerf war, you'll get it.
I know I have a Nerf gun around here somewhere. Baby. Where is that kid? Close one. Get back here. Time to eat bullets. Finally, it's my turn to win. No.
Guys, so I hope you enjoyed that video. Before I close out the video, I want to say a few things. Number one, thank you guys so much for hitting 1,000 overall views. I can't believe we hit that, and we also hit 30 subscribers. We're at 31 now, so thank you guys so much for that. And number two, I will be gone for 2 weeks in Africa, so there will be no content during those weeks. Sorry about this inconvenience, but it's just impossible for me to video and then upload there. So, like I said, no content for 2 weeks, but you can subscribe by clicking my face right here, and you can see last week's video by clicking right here. And I might be doing some vlogging on there. So peace, guys.